One little star, shining bright from very far. Two small birds in the sky flap their wings and start to fly. Three cute cats say meow, meow, jumping, running here and now. Four red balls roll on the floor, round and round they go once more. Five sweet fruits in a line, apple, mango, looking fine. Six big ducks in a mix, waddle, waddle, quack, quack. Six, seven flowers in the heaven, smiling bright, lovely. Seven. Eight small ants walk so straight, left, right, left, they march at eight. Nine balloons flying high, colorful dots in the sky. 10 tiny toes wiggle again, happy counting 1 to 10.